Waterfall Asset Management LLC invests $3.26 million in Camden Property Trust CPT. Waterfall Asset Management LLC has initiated a new position in Camden Property Trust CPT, acquiring 30,500 shares valued at approximately $3.26 million, making it their 11th largest holding. This investment comes as Camden Property Trust reports missing quarterly EPS expectations but slightly exceeding revenue forecasts, while also authorizing a $600 million share repurchase program and increasing its quarterly dividend. Analysts currently rate CPT as a hold with a consensus price target of $117.15. Observing high institutional ownership but recent insider selling.